Hey guys, welcome to the Forex Trading Lab. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over everything that our platform has to offer and how to navigate our platform. Now, if you're watching this video upon purchasing the Forex Trading Lab, first off, I want to give you a huge congratulations and a big warm welcome. If you've not yet purchased it, but you're looking to, then please watch this video through the entirety because there are going to be no surprises and you're going to know exactly what it is we have to offer at the Forex Trading Lab. So let's get straight into it. So once purchased the Forex Trading Lab, you'll be prompted with this page just here. You can clearly see in the top left, we are in the Forex Trading Lab. Now, underneath, we have all of these tabs. We have a community tab, a classroom tab, a calendar tab, a members tab, a leaderboard, and then our about tab. This is the tab that you guys are kind of seeing right now. Now, let's start on the community tab. Under the community tab, this is where all of the interaction with and engagement with other community members and your mentors like myself and Ed will be happening. So if you see just under the write something section, we have this little tab here that says more. This is going to show all of the tabs that go under the community heading. So here we have our community discussion. So under the community discussion, this is where you guys are going to be able to have conversations with other members and conversations with me and Ed, just in general terms. So general discussions about trading or whatever it is, like maybe you're looking at a certain trade to enter and you want other people's feedback on it, you can just put it in the community discussion. This is for you guys to engage with other members. This is, kind of standard for most communities, and this is basically what it is. If you guys want to chat to others, do it in here. The way you do it, it will say write something just at the top. You can click on that and then you can post. So let's say I want to say, hey guys, that's my title, and then I'll put Happy New Year because it is the 1st of Jan 2025 today upon recording. So I'll put Happy New Year and then I can just click post. And then once I've posted it under the community discussion, you can see it is just there. Okay. Next, we have our announcements tab. Now, in our announcements tab, this is where me and Ed will be posting our announcements. You guys as members won't be able to post anything in here. This is only for me and Ed to post. And this is where any announcements that me and Ed have, whether it be we are doing a giveaway, we are changing the time of the webinar, we're hosting a webinar, we're hosting an event, any announcement whatsoever will be posted in this tab just here, in the announcements tab. So you guys can quickly go on your phones and just just have a look straight away without all the noise and stuff. Next is our trading help. This is where you guys can post any questions you have in terms of trading. So let's say you need help with a journal. You can simply click right here. I need help with journal. Okay, and then underneath you can write what you need help with. You can then click post and it will just simply be posted under here, and then me and Ed can like it, and or other members can like it and other members can comment on it. So where whenever you need trading help, you just simply post it in this section here. Okay, this is really good for you guys because me and Ed will be supporting you the most in this section, and we are always, this is probably the section that me and Ed will be most active. Okay, so consistently posting in here, asking for help, you'll be consistently getting support and therefore more results, right? So if you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to post something in here, guys. You don't want to be the kid in the class who doesn't ask any questions but doesn't know what they're doing. You want to be the kid who asks the questions and therefore knows what they're doing. Okay, so that is there for you guys. Next is our wins/losses tab. Whenever you guys get any results whatsoever, whether it be a trading win, whether it be a win in life, whether it be a loss in trading or whatever it is, you can post it in here. And the people who are consistently being active and getting results, whether it be a win or a loss is still a result, right? You will be rewarded, and me and Ed will give you maybe a free challenge account, some giveaways, a cash prize, some hoodies, t-shirts, whatever it is. We will be rewarding people who are most active and posting their real-time results. Okay, so that is just in the win losses. Again, the way to post, you click write something, you can then attach a screenshot and you put big trading win, boom, and then underneath it you just put your trading win and then you can click post and that will just be there. Okay, next is our give value. Now this tab is something that a lot of communities don't offer, and we wanted to make sure we offered the give value tab because this is the tab where you guys are going to be able to open your minds and gain more knowledge than other communities have to offer, right? In the give value tab, this is for you guys as members to post anything that you have seen that is quite insightful, or think has some sort of value to it in here. Whether it be a podcast that you watched, you want to post it in here, and you can just link the video just there. Whether it be a motivational quote that has helped you, whether it be a song that has helped you get through some tough times, or whatever it is, whether it be a trading idea that you see consistently keeps playing out and is working, any sort of value that you guys think you have to offer, whether it's something that you've seen or yourself, you can post it in here, and other members will be able to come in this tab and look at the value you're giving, and you'll be able to do the same. You'll be able to come in here and look at other things that members have been posting, and open your minds up a little bit and gain some more knowledge. And that is where this tab really excels, right? So that's the give value tab. Next is our best post. So me and Ed will be posting our the best posts in the community, the posts that highlight what we really want to achieve from our community, right? So whether it be something from the give value, whether it be a really good motivational quote that a member has posted, we can then repost it in the best post tab. Whether it be a podcast that someone has posted, we could repost it in here. Whether it be a trade idea someone's posted, we post it in here. Whether someone's gone on the trading help and helped someone and it's a commonly asked question, and we can repost it in here. So our best post tab is simply, as the name kind of suggests, the best posts that we see. They'll be posting in here, and it will kind of separate the good stuff from all the noise. Next is our trade updates tab. Now this tab is probably going to be your guys' favorite. In this tab, me and Ed only, will be posting all the trade updates that we are having throughout the week. So whether it be I'm about to set break even on a trade, I'll post it in here. Whether it be I'm about to enter a certain trade, I'll post it in here. Whether it be I'm looking to extend my take profit, I'll post it in here. Whatever it is, any trade update that I have, I'm posting in here, right? And so you guys, let's say you're out in a restaurant or whatever, you can go on your phones, you can get on the community, and you can just see the updates, the market updates that me or Ed are going, and posting in, just in this tab here. So that is again, this is probably going to be your favorite. You're going to be probably most active on here, because this is where you're going to be able to see how your mentors are actually trading and what they're doing in live market conditions. Okay, so again, not a lot of communities offer this, right? Next is our journal feedback. So at the end of every month, you guys, completely free, all of you can post or send us your journals, send me and Ed your journals for us to review. And then as a general consensus, we will be posting what we see. So whether it be as a majority, people are cutting their take profits short, so they're not holding their trades long enough, we'll be posting it in here. Guys, make sure you hold your trades. From your journals, we see that you guys aren't holding your trades long enough. Hold it, get a better risk to reward, whatever. Whether it be you guys aren't waiting for certain confluences in the strategy, we'll be posting it in here. So let's say we get 30 journals to review at the end of the month. From that 30, we're going to take the majority of things that we see the most and post it in here. Okay, so again, I don't think any other community offers that, right? Next is our shout out. So whether it be you guys have excelled in your results and we want to give you a shout out, we'll be shouting you out in here. And this could be a side business that you have, this could be your Instagram, it could be a YouTube channel that you're trying to grow, a social media platform you're trying to grow. We'll be happy to shout it out in here, but this is for the members who are consistently active and getting results. So that is our community tab. That is everything we have to offer in the community, and you can click just click less and it's just going to hide it. Okay, next is our classrooms tab. Okay, so by just clicking on it, left click, it's going to take me to the course page. In our community, we have 16 courses. I don't know another community or platform that offers 16 courses on trading. Okay, and all of these courses have to be watched in order, and we have constructed them and ordered them in a way that makes sense in terms of learning. We haven't just clicked start here, then the ultimate masterclass, and then the beginner course. That won't make sense, right? We've done everything in order, so when you guys log in, you don't know, you're not thinking about where do I need to start. You just know you start here, then once you finish that one, you go to this one, and once you finish that one, you go to this one, and so on and so forth, right? There's no kind of confusion which one you should watch first. Okay, so the start here, obviously a must watch. All of these are a must watch, and think about it this way, guys, you spent money on the community, you may as well get the most out of your money by watching all the content, right? So the start here tab, We have a what to expect video, welcoming from Edward, and some nice notes in there. We have our systematic strategy video, so this is where I explain the strategy in terms of the way I'm teaching it. And you'll see at the bottom of each of these videos, right, you can just see our names highlighted. If you guys need to ever message us, privately, you just click on that. It'll take us to a chat where you can message us just like that, really quick and simple. Next is how to make the most out of these courses video, and Ed is going to be going over that. Next is our turn on dark mode. So if you want to turn on your dark, let's say, because I think default it's light mode. Most people prefer the dark kind of theme of school. So there's a tutorial in there by Edward. Our Telegram. So we have a free Telegram, free to access, completely free, where we'll be posting giveaways, Instagram posts, YouTube videos, stuff like that, free signals occasionally. Will be posted in our Telegram, so make sure to join that. Just click on the link, it takes Telegram, click join, completely free to join, right? Next is our let us know when you're free for calls. So this is a really important one, guys. Click on the link, it's going to take you to a calendar where you guys can slot in the times that you are mostly free, right? So whether it be a Monday, you are free at 6 p.m, okay, for live calls, just put it in there, and then whatever kind of data we get back, going off the majority, will be hosting our calls and stuff at that time. So let's say people, the majority of people are free on a Saturday at 6 p.m. for a live call, then we'll be hosting our calls Saturday 6 p.m. for a live call, right? So just make sure you fill that out. There's no password required. You just need to put your name and just put in a time slot. Really super simple. Next is our leveling up system. Okay, I'm going to be going over this in a minute, but that kind of explains how it works. But we'll be going over that in a second. Next is if you want to make your own school community, guys, okay, simply use this link and get started. So if you come in here and you think this is a really good idea, I love the way school works, I want to make my own community, whether it be teaching people how to knit socks or teaching people nutritional advice, whatever it is, you can create your own school platform just like we have by using this link. And if you need any questions on how to get started, message us right here. And then lastly, a support page, right? If you guys have any questions whatsoever, need help with anything, navigating through school, something's not working, your email isn't thinking, you need some training help, you need some training advice, anything whatsoever, be the most random shit, right? Literally, email us at help@forextradinglab.co.uk or just DM us. And I will say we'll probably be most active on these, so just give us a DM, we'll be replying to that consistently, and same on the email. Okay, so that is our start here. Next is our software. Okay, and these are just videos that go over the software. So we have a trading review walkthrough, MetaTrader, and a trading journal. Next is a beginner course, and underneath each tab you're going to see there's certain videos. The way in which you watch a video, you click on it and it just take you straight to the video where you can watch it. Okay, now this is quite an old course, this is one of my older courses that I made, but it's still very valid. And you see I just go through everything just on there, right? And then once you guys have finished the video, just click on the tick, and it will mark it as done. And then you can clearly see you have a progress bar that gets here, so you'll know when you've watched every single video, right? Again, this beginner course is massive, right? It's absolutely huge. I don't even know, I don't want to count how many videos that are in here, but it's absolutely massive, so make sure you watch that. And then we have a fundamental ebook on here, just a nice quick ebook. It's going to take about 30 minutes, 40 minutes to read, just on fundamentals. I highly recommend reading this one here, Complete Guide on Inflation for CPI news. Then we have 3 psychology course videos. Three psychology courses. Not one course, not 2, 3, because psychology is a very broad topic, and Ed has done a fantastic job of combining the must-knows into these 3. Okay, and again, it's in order, right? Because these ones are going to be a little bit easier to understand, a little bit harder, and then obviously Psychology 3, just fantastic. I mean, I've watched all of these videos, and it is absolutely fantastic, right? It's transformed my trading a little bit, it's helped my trading. So that is Psychology 3. Once you've done all of them, you'll be prompted with the Ultimate Masterclass course. This course is where I teach you my strategy from A to Z. I go through what it is, how to, some psychology videos, and then we go exactly how to do it. Market structure part 1, shift of structures, pro trend trader, psych levels, areas of interest, as be a pro trend trader, my personal risk management, and EMA trend line. This has 27 videos in this course, and again, you just click on it so you know when you've done a video or not, right? Guys, this is the main selling point of our course. This strategy is gonna teach you from going level 0 to 100, okay, in trading. So that is our strategy that we teach on the Ultimate Masterclass. After you have got to Ultimate Masterclass and you get to level 4 in the course, which I'll go over in a minute how to level up, you will unlock a 7-week bootcamp. And you can see here, it was basically a 7-week bootcamp where I took a couple of students and taught them to trade from level 0 to 100. This bootcamp is packed with so many golden nuggets and things that only live trading can portray. Therefore, I decided to upload the bootcamp in here, as I do genuinely believe it can help transform your trading. I would highly recommend watching the Ultimate Masterclass course first and then watching this. Please do not skip the video, and it just goes over what you need to do. And then you can see they're very long videos. They are live calls with students asking questions, and you'll be able to hear them going over exactly what it is I'm looking for in the markets, and actually teaching them the strategy. So that is also in there. These two, okay, I'd say even these are worth 10x more than what the course is worth, right? Then we have a risk management course, very short course, but I give you a free risk management template that you can use and explain everything that's kind of important in terms of risk management. Then we have a bonus course. This is coming very soon. The only way to get this is by upgrading to the annual pass, or by buying it separately. I think it's about 30-40 quid, right? It's not much, but and it's not mandatory. This you don't need to become a successful trader, okay? Like, these are enough. This is just something extra if you want a bit more extra learning, where I go in a little bit more depth on my intraday strategy, counter trend trading, stuff like that, okay? So that's just a little side thing for you guys if you want, but you don't have to. Like I said, you don't need this to become profitable, okay? But it is just something extra. Then we have a book club. In here, Ed has compiled tons of notes from certain books, and if you read the notes and you want to purchase a book, you can just do it right there, okay? And there's loads of books. There's psychology and technical books just there, and this will be updated as the year goes by, right? Lastly, not lastly, but then we have frequently asked questions, so Q&A. So these are questions that me and Ed get asked the most, and we just put them in here. So can I trade even though I'm under 18? We have some thingy answers there. Can I trade before starting the job? Answer. And we will be updating this every couple of weeks. So, the more and more questions we get in, the more this gets updated. We have some psychology questions. How can I overcome fear of losing money? Some trading questions in general. Should I analyze the news? Get that a lot. What counts as structure? What if my strategy doesn't work for me? Stuff like that. So constantly, if you have any questions, just go to this first, because it's probably going to be in there. Next is our Sunday recordings. So every Sunday, I will do a live Sunday analysis, and Ed will do his own live Sunday analysis, where you guys can join live and analyze the market with us. Now, if you are not free, let's say you missed the call for whatever reason, you can simply go to this tab, and the call will be posted in here for you guys to watch. You just click on it, and you can watch these Sunday lives, okay? And all the 2020, because this is the 1st of Jan today, it's the new year, they'll be posted under the 2025 tabs with the date, so you guys know exactly, what call it is you missed. Now, I will say, study them. Even if it was a call from 6 months ago, watch it, because you're going to learn how I'm analyzing live, right? And that's where a lot of learning happens. So that is our Sunday recordings. Next tab is our market updates, okay? Any market update videos that I make will be posted in here. So if I make a video updating the market on, let's say with this Wednesday, it'll be posted in here. So if I'm in a trade and I make a video on it, posted in here for you guys to stay up to date, okay? And then lastly, Ultimate Forex Guide ebook. This is coming very soon. So that is all of the courses. 16 courses. They are fantastic. I highly recommend going through all of them in order, and you guys will be, completely sound with that, and you'll find that your trading is by the end of the beginner course, you'll find you know more than most people about trading. Next is our calendar tab. Okay, so our calendar tab is going to have any events, any live calls, any webinars whatsoever, giveaways, anything will be posted on our calendar. Okay, you can see the time, you can see the year, the day, the month, the day, obviously Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then what day the event is. So on this Sunday, on the 5th, we have an 8 p.m. live Sunday analysis. So if I click on it, prompts me with this page just here, live Sunday analysis, with the Zoom link to join, and a little thingy there. And then if you don't like this calendar view, you can click on that button just there and that will take you to this one. So you have a list of all the calls coming up. So this is for you guys who, are quite busy, but you don't want to miss any calls. You just go on the calendar, see when the call is, and then get on with your day, right? So that is the calendar. Everything will be posted in here. So make sure you stay up to date with this, guys. Next is our members tab. This is where you'll be able to see other members, whatever. Leaderboards. Okay, this is the level up system that I'm going to be going over now. So in our course, we have a leveling up system, and we've decided to put the leveling up system because, as it quotes here, okay, in the leveling up system, okay, you'll be able to realize you only have access to some courses, but others a lot. This is because our leveling system, okay, in which you must reach certain levels to access more advanced courses. So the reason we have done this is to make sure you learn at a steady pace, right? We have made it so you have to level up to unlock certain courses, because if you guys had access to every course all at once, you're going to be so thrown off and you're going to be like, where do I start? But also, you're not going to be learning at a steady pace. You're going to watch one course and be like, fuck, let's get to the next one, without actually taking in the information. So we've made it so you in terms of unlocking coursing is slightly staggered. Now, it's not hard to level up. You could level up 10 times in a couple of days, okay, and unlock everything. You can get to level 9 in a couple of days. It's very, very easy to level up. You just need 1 like per post, okay, very simple. And me and Ed will be helping you with that. So the reason we've done this, steady pace. If you were to come in straight with no experience, jump straight into the advanced courses such as the Ultimate Masterclass, you would be lost as you haven't had the correct training to prepare you for the more advanced stuff. Therefore, we implemented the leveling up system. If you're struggling to level up, message and we'll help sort it out. Okay, to level up, post different tabs. So literally just post and comment on other people's posts. Every like you get is 1 XP. It won't be hard to level up, as me and Luca will always be liking your posts, as you don't need much XP to level up anyway. So that is the leveling up system. And you can see there's 9 levels. Okay, you'll start at level 1. Howie Hubler, the trader who is known to have lost the most money in a single trade. I think it's 9 billion. Okay, and then you get to Warren Buffett as you get up. So level 2 will unlock the Psychology Part 2, Psychology Part 3, and the Book Club. Level 3 is completely fine. Level 4 is the boot camp. Okay, level 5 you over leverage, and then we'll add certain courses to that as we go along. And in the about section, that is where you are. Upon the leaderboard, just to note, you will be able to see everyone else's, kind of progress, and people who get the highest at the leaderboard and get into the top, you will get rewards. You will get giveaways for free. You will get some free training accounts, some free merch, some free cash prizes, literally loads of stuff in there for you guys. So that is basically it, guys. It is super simple to kind of navigate. Again, if you want to post, you just click under a tab, click on a tab, community discussion, literally write hey, and then and just click post, and it will literally be under community discussion. That is literally it, guys. It is super, super simple. Any noties you get will be in here. Any chats will be in here. That is it, guys. That is everything we have to offer. I genuinely am, before ending this video, I want to say that me and Ed are genuinely proud of this, right? We've put something out there that we wish we had when we first started. 16 courses, live calls, live updates, everything you need to become profitable in this platform. Now, if you need any help whatsoever, like I said, go to the classroom, go to the start here, go to support, email us or DM us. Or if you don't want to do that, then you can go to trading help and put it in here, right? But again, this is mostly trading help. Any support you need, we are here. We are always going to be replying, always going to be helping. So make sure you take advantage of that. We are members of this community. We are active in this community. We want to be active. We're going to be active every single day. So make sure you take advantage of that, guys. We are genuinely so happy to have you guys here. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing your results in the future. Thank you, guys, and welcome to the Forex Trading Lab.